Back at it again. Hello everyone. Welcome to Haunted Bonfire's Ghost Channel. This time I'm in my basement. I don't like being in the dark down here for some reason, I don't know why. But first I'll record everything. Make sure no one's down here. This always bothers me. Do one clean sweep. And I'll start doing the ghost inspecting. I might do a couple, I'll make this long, I don't know. That's the boiler, that's the furnace. Or heating unit. No one's back there. And it's a little. I'm trying a little grainy type. The light's not strong. I feel like making it too strong is not fun. Now, I'm gonna get everything ready. There we go. I might be in the photo. I might not. I do not know. Hello? Oh, if I forget, sensitivity, that's free. That should be higher. And temp. Okay. So you know it's on. This, like I said, is the capel. I'm putting that on a stairway. So if that goes off, then you know something's here. There. Let's make sure. You see it right there. That went off. That you don't want that on because you know there's a ow, my finger. There. You know the REM pod is right there. Now the first test is to try the split radio. Now, I'm gonna be in it. I don't know if it's gonna be clear. Don't honestly know if this will be clear. I might have it make it a little brighter just to be safe. Do 20. That's the light I got. The new one I got for. That's brighter than nutsacks, but it was first. Well, this I'm not doing yet. This is called a spear box. So if there's a ghost in this area, you will know. Let's see, check light. Medium. If there's ghosts down here, can you please say your name? If there's ghosts down here, can you please say your name?
So about people.
Why is that going off? Why is it going? Let me get it better. On two. Here's another one with it clear. Is someone in this area? If you're a ghost, what's your name? Please tell me. One option, the reason why it's going to 3, it'd be warm down here. I don't know if ghosts go. Yeah, let's do that again. If the ghosts on here, please change the temperature again. Instead of going positive, can you go negative? Let me change the pod. That's me. Okay. So option 1, that changed because, like I said, it could have been a bug. Let's do this again. If there's a ghost on you, could you please tell me what your name is? If your name is, if you lived in the house before, can you please tell me your name? This is a spirit box. You can please communicate in here. I don't know who you are. If you're a ghost. Our camera went off before and no one was downstairs. Why did it go off? Well, someone's in the house, so who is it? If you're good, you could please respond. There's no reason to hide here. If you're a ghost in this area, please tell me your name. It's on AM now. You can communicate for the spirit box. If you're a ghost, you can communicate from here. Or you can touch your REM pod. Someone did touch it upstairs. I remember a month ago, someone did touch it. But someone's in the house. No one was up there. Please tell me who it was. What is your name? I don't know what the fuck that was. Can you please do that again? And this time touch the REM pod? I never got that thing before. That actually is new. That weird noise. I couldn't. If you're a ghost, can you please speak for the spirit box? spaceship. I'm gonna give you one warning. You have 1 more second to. You have a minute to. It's 19 minutes and 22 seconds of my camera left. If you don't do something around 18 minutes, the spirit box is going off. You're communicating for me. Please communicate again. You changed the temperature. It was 0. Now it's 0.1. Now it's 0.2. If you can see that. I don't know what the fuck that was. It's new to me. Something's on the radio. Please speak. This is the first time I got confirmation. You're there somewhere. I don't know what the fuck that is. Really, I don't know what the fuck that is. That's something I never heard of. For some people who like my channel, please tell me what the fuck that is, because I don't know what the hell that was. Something new to me. Change the speed rate. Can we do this? If someone's there, if you do that sound again, I'll keep doing this. If not, I'm changing it. I'll change the speed rate. I'm curious if it's gonna be a different speed. Cause that was something new. Something's in here. Option 1. If you're a spirit, you go temperature 2. Could you go to temperature 3? Or could you please touch your REM pod? Please touch your REM pod right there. That's all I'm asking for. Okay. Okay, I'm asking you another question. If you're a spirit, could go to 4. Please. Can you please go to 4? You went to 3, please go to 4 again. I'm gonna change the sweep rate. Can you please change it to 4? The longer you do this communicating, it'll be good for me to communicate with you. You went from 0, 1, 2, then 3. So you can please change to 4 for your spirit. Either go down a degree or go up a degree. If we're going down, I prefer going up because I know you're hot, so... You're sexy then. Okay. Okay, thank you for communicating for the spirit box. If you were a ghost, thank you. Ooh. No. What is that? It's like a fucking spaceship. I don't know what the hell that was. Okay, well, thank you for communicating with me. If you're good, please stay. If you're bad, don't harm me. Don't come near me. Just communicate with me, I don't care. But don't attack me. I don't give you a chance to control me or attack me. You have a chance to communicate with me, but don't control or attack me. On to next. Let me bring a little brighter. Yeah, let me bring it brighter. Bring the light brighter. Okay. This is a K2 meter. If something magnetic force, it's gonna go off. So let's do example. No. No. Huh. No power. It's a little weird. If there's a ghost here, let me switch hands. Better. I use my camera in my right hand. If I cry like a bitch, you know why. If there's a ghost in this area, could you please make the K2 change? You're fucking high down here, I know you are. So you see here how power, it changes the... Let me actually focus on that. Let me... There. Like I said, the slight power is going to change that. You see changing. Nothing with me that, well, my phone. If you see that color, it's my phone going off. That's all I have. And there's a REM part here. So I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. That was weird on the spirit box. That was a little weird. Okay. Now, my favorite session. I'll do the spear talk. I'm gonna do 12 minutes here. I'm gonna do something I don't like doing really. But oh, I'm hearing a fire truck. Okay. So what I'm going to do, make sure this is lined up. It's a little piece, I don't know. Make sure that's lined up, so focus in. You got it. Might have to do this.
Hunting.
Fuck, man. Stop doing that. Stop saying hunting, that's my job to hunt. Let's do this. Zoom in more. There. So I'll be right back to the bathroom. So I'm gonna let that on for a bit. 11 minutes left. I'm probably do a little more after this, or at least another recording, but I'll be right back. That says hunting. Let's see. I'm gonna... There. Okay, that's the cap. I'll put it right by my phone. So, that's not there when I come back. I know something's not right.
Watch out for evil. Knife. Anarchy. Some. I'm from the 1700s. Hiding in the dark. We're hiding from you. Kevin. Stop the camera. Cowardice.
I'll try not to. Okay. So that was...
I've been here 500 years.
Okay, this is new. Okay. If you want me... Hold on. Hold on. Let me...